Leaks just keep stacking up, and at this point, it's hard to believe there's anything left for Samsung to officially reveal about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The latest curveball. A video that somehow surfaced on Amazon of all places. It was first noticed by the team over at 9 to 5 Google. The clip comes from Luskin, a third-party accessory maker, showing off how to apply a screen protector on what sure looks like the Fold 7. Now, the device in the video doesn't power on, so it could easily be a dummy unit. Still, the overall design lines up with previous leaks almost perfectly. From the dimensions to the shape and placement of the buttons, it fits the profile of what we've seen hinted at over the past few weeks. Whether it's the real thing or not, it's getting tough to ignore just how much is already out in the wild ahead of Samsung's upcoming launch event on July 9. Interestingly, this isn't the only hands-on glimpse to appear lately. Just a day before, another clip showed off the phone fully opened, giving us an early look at the inner display. With the Amazon video, we now also have a better sense of the outer screen, and here's the big takeaway. It looks noticeably slimmer than the Fold 6. Closed, it has more of a conventional foam appearance, and there seems to be a slight gap between the two halves, potentially making it easier to unfold. Details like the USB-C port and button layout also seem to confirm earlier reports. But the leaks don't stop at the phone itself. Even Samsung's official cases have started popping up online. A Dutch retailer, New Mobile, posted listings for several accessories, including their prices. For instance, the silicone case is available in multiple colors like black, blue, gray, and light green. It's soft, grippy, and built to absorb impact, though probably not the easiest to slip into tight jeans. That one's going for €69. There's also a clear case, which keeps the design visible, basic, clean, and priced at €49. If you want something a bit more functional, the clear grip case adds a built-in handle on the back, priced at €53. Perfect for one-handed use or anyone prone to dropping their phone. For those looking to use magnetic accessories, there's a clear magnetic case with integrated magnets on the back, which costs €57. And finally, the carbon fiber case, which is the high-end option, sleek, strong, and lightweight. That one's only in black and will set you back €89. So here we are, just days away from the official unveiling, and it feels like we've already seen the whole show. The only thing left might be hearing Samsung say it themselves. Whether all these early glimpses have built the hype or taken the edge off the excitement is up for debate. But one thing's for sure, the Fold 7 is coming, and it's looking more polished than ever. Stay tuned for more updates.